In Maharashtra, MNS Chief Raj Thackeray has called for a stronger agitation against toll fee collection across the state. Raj Thackeray has announced that he will carry out a protest march from Mumbai's Girgaon Chowpatty to Mantralaya on February 21st, and this comes 2 days after Raj Thackeray called for a statewide Rasta Roko on Wednesday to protest against toll collection.
They have in the past come out in the streets and vandalized toll booths to register their protest against toll collection across Maharashtra. But this time, Maharashtra Navnirman Sena chief himself has come out and lodged a stronger protest, starting with the statewide highway band on Wednesday.
21 तारखेला मी संपूर्ण महाराष्ट्रातल्या सर्व जनता एकवटेल या सगळ्या गोष्टींसाठी आणि मुंबईच्या गिरगाव चौपाटीवरून मंत्रालयापर्यंत आम्ही मोर्चा नेणार आहोत. आमचा टोलला विरोध नसून ज्या प्रकारे टोल वसूल केला जातोय ते पैसे कुठे जात आहेत.
The ruling alliance for the moment downplaying his threat.
किती कायदा हातात घ्यायचा, लोकांना किती वेठीस धरायचं आणि कशासाठी वेठीस धरायचं. नियम कायदे आपण सगळं दाखवू. कुठे चुकते दाखवा, कुठच्या टोलवर चुकते ते दाखवा, ताबडतोब कारवाई करायची माझी.
ऐसा है कि नवनिर्माण सेना ने कहा था कि हमारे पास महाराष्ट्र के निर्माण का ब्लूप्रिंट है. मुझे लगता है उनके पास महाराष्ट्र के निर्माण का ब्लूप्रिंट एक ही है कि नौजवानों को गुमराह करना, उनसे गुंडागर्दी कराना.
But all eyes on the 21st of February. Will Maharashtra witness a display of lawlessness, or will there be a compromise reached? Bureau Report, Times Now.
Right, so MNS Chief Raj Thackeray has announced that today will be his Rasta Roko campaign in Maharashtra. In fact, security has also been heightened at various toll booths as a result of this agitation led by Raj Thackeray. Ashish is joining us live for more on the story now. Ashish, despite a stern warning from the state government, Raj Thackeray is going ahead with this agitation. What is expected to pan out for the common man in Maharashtra today?
Well, a common man in Maharashtra will likely to face a lot of trouble while travelling, especially after Maharashtra Nirman Sena's chief Raj Thackeray comes on the road to protest against the toll collection. There you see the Maharashtra police is preparing for a challenge after Maharashtra Nirman Sena's Rasta Roko station against the toll collection across Maharashtra. What you see is a heavy police deployment on Vashi Toll Naka, which is one of the main toll plazas which collect Mumbai and Navi Mumbai. In addition to the local police from a police station, there are policemen from SRPF. In fact, at this very location at Vashi Toll Naka, one company and 2 platoons of SRPF have been deployed. And if my cameraman can show for now, the traffic is very moving very smoothly here. But the MNS Chief Raj Thackeray is likely to arrive here at Vashi Toll Naka to start his agitation against the toll collection across Maharashtra. Keeping MNS violent past in mind, Mumbai police have arrested more than 120 MNS workers from different stations across Mumbai, and also Maharashtra police has issued notices to MNS workers under section 149 of the CRPC. What would be interesting to see that how would Maharashtra Chief Minister Prithviraj Chauhan and Home Minister R.R. Patil would react to this later in the day, especially after Maharashtra Chief Minister Prithviraj Chauhan has called MNS Chief Raj Thackeray for a meeting at his residence in South Mumbai. Will Raj Thackeray go to meet Maharashtra Chief Minister Prithviraj Chauhan, or he'll continue his protest? This will be interesting to see. And if Raj Thackeray doesn't meet Maharashtra CM, how would CM and Home Minister tackle this issue? Back to you.
Right, so in the wake of this agitation, security of course has been heightened at various toll booths. Let's just get you the reaction from the police authorities there.
We have deployed around 400 police persons from Navi Mumbai, one company and 2 platoon of SRPF at the Vashi Toll Naka, and overall in Zone 1 we have deployed bandos in every police station.
Shikral, we are told that you have already taken few MNS workers into preventive custody. What is the number and how you plan to?
It is around 35 to 40 and not more than that, and now our main focus is to handle the law and order situation.
you've also issued notices under 149?
Yeah, it is not under 149, it is under 149 CRPC. Yesterday we have issued some notices to MNS also.
Okay,
Thank
we
you.
are also told one last thing, sir, that MNS Chief Raj Thakre is likely to come here to protest. So how are you planning to take it forward?
That will depend upon the situation, but we have taken all the necessary preventive steps and all the bandobast is deployed according to that only.
If MNS goes to try and vandalize toll plazas, will you arrest them or just detain them?
See, that's why I told you the situation will decide what action needs to be taken, but we are prepared to every moment.
All right, let's go back to our correspondent Ashish, who is live with us on the story. Ashish, apart from these heightened security arrangements, is the Maharashtra government also willing to take the extreme step of perhaps executing some big political arrests if things do get out of control later in the day?
Well, that's what MNS Chief Raj Thakre wants. In fact, in last few weeks, if you say, Maharashtra has witnessed violence across on toll plazas across Maharashtra, and MNS Chief has gone on to the extent of saying that I dare Maharashtra government, Maharashtra's Chief Minister and Home Minister to arrest me. So it would be interesting to see how would Maharashtra Chief Minister and Home Minister react to that, because MNS Chief Raj Thakre wants Maharashtra government and Home Minister to take some kind of action against him, which will help him increase his intensity of agitation. In last 1 month, we have seen various violence on toll plazas across Maharashtra, and especially today when MNS Chief has asked this Rasta Roko agitation across Maharashtra. The major routes which are likely to get affected are the Mumbai-Pune Express Highway, the National Highway 4 which connects Mumbai to Thane, Pune, Satara and Kolhapur. Also in Mumbai and satellite cities close to Mumbai which are connected through Eastern Express Highway and Western Express Highway are also likely to get affected. So the common people who are likely to travel here in Mumbai and across Maharashtra are going to face some problem as far as the smooth traffic is concerned, especially close to toll plazas.